What's up, y'all? It's Mariah and I am back with another banger. Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you many ways to style your knotless braids. In particular, this video is special because this girl is a wig. It's a wig, honey. Look at it. Wow. Boom. Like, you will not even be able to tell that this is a wig. But since it is, I want to show you a couple of quick and easy ways to style it. Before we get into this video, go ahead and subscribe for good vibes and hit that post notification bell so you never miss another banging video again. Alright, let's get into it.
Yeah, it's been a long night, and maybe I should go home. But it's been such a long time since I felt this good on my own. Such a long time since I felt this good on my own. 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 On my own.
basically, those are the styles that I would probably do with this wig. Doing too much, as you can see, will lift the edges up, but also you could probably style the wig before you decide to lay the edges. Also, this wig is 30 inches long, so doing buns this big, it ends up being a little heavy on the head. So I probably would recommend more of the half up, half down styles that I was showing, or the all the way down, or the ponytail looks. But even the ponytails, I probably wouldn't even do. Like, this is like a fake ponytail because there's hair still out. Because again, this is only a lace front wig, not a full lace wig. So I could probably put this in a ponytail, but it would be a struggle and it would be heavy as crap on my head. Really, I think I showed you some simple, quick, and safe styles for this wig. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like these hair tutorials, please show me some love down below in the comments. I'll see y'all in the next one. Remember to subscribe for good vibes.
Midnight.